Hi, my name is Jody Goverick, and I'm the Director of Marketing and Communications with Dr. Brown's Medical. And I'm here today to share some tips with you about the AccuBrush. Tip number 1. As you can see, the AccuBrush is just a narrower version of our original non-metal bottle brush. The AccuBrush is more narrow and designed to clean the inside of our AccuFeeds, since this vessel is obviously a little bit more narrow. This fits perfectly into the AccuFeed, and you can use it to clean the outside of the bottle, the nipple collar, and even breast pump parts. Tip number 2. Just like the non-metal bottle brush, the AccuBrush has a Chevron tip at the end, specifically designed to clean the inside of our nipples. We do not recommend using a wire brush to clean the inside of the nipple. Tip number 3. The AccuBrush has no metal and therefore can be steam sanitized in the Microwave Steam Sanitizing Bags.